going on, guys? So today we're going to swap out the old windscreen because I changed the bars, and with the higher bars it's hitting my windscreen. Street glides probably don't have that problem, but a road glide, it moves independently. I'm sure you already know this. But with this windscreen, I really liked it. It's Memphis shades, but it comes back pretty far. How it curves back and kind of whips back up to direct the wind. Works great, but with my taller bars, if I go a decent turn, I don't have to even go full lock. It kind of bumps just a little bit, and that's kind of driving me nuts. So I'm going to swap that out. There's this company called Fredom Shields, and what they do is they will send you a windscreen with all their protective wrap on it and stickers. So they let you test it out. So basically, you leave all that stuff on, you take your bike for a ride. If you like the way it works, then cool, take off the stickers and the protective wrap, and you have yourself a windscreen. If you're like, no, I want it a little bit taller or a different shade, maybe it's too dark or something like that, you leave all that stuff on, you send it back to them, and then you tell them what you want, and then they send another one out to you. You can keep doing that until you find the perfect windscreen for you. So it's kind of a cool deal. So I got the box over here, let's take a look. All right, it says on here, do not use a blade, but I'm gonna go ahead and use a blade. It looks like the box is overlapped right here, so it'll be okay as long as I cut in this way. Or it's actually just coming apart. So, send you a little envelope here. It's basically just my bill. It looks like our receipt and lots of packaging peanuts. And inside is the windscreen. There it is. So like I said, it's got all this protective wrap and the stickers and stuff on there. So here's the instructions on how to install it. So let's go ahead and remove the old one. This is already actually my second one. This is a 13-inch. I ordered a 12. He recommended even taller, I think, just based on my height. But I kind of slouch over a little and then more forward, I guess, so more aggressive. So I didn't think I needed the taller one, and I asked him to go ahead and send me the 12. And it worked really good, and I didn't have much choppiness or anything on the freeway. The wind was getting over me pretty good. But I leaned down just a little bit further and it felt remarkably different. Like I didn't feel any wind. So I was like, wow, maybe I'll try a 13. So here's the 13. So now he's got to go for a test drive and check it out.